Hey there guys, Chris with Min Media here. In today's video, I'm going to give my honest review on Opus Clip after I've been using it for 9 months now. So this is going to be my full honest review on Opus Clip. So Opus Clip has been a game changer for not only my personal content, but for some of my clients' content. Essentially what this tool does is it turns long form videos into short form reels. And just to give you a quick little demo on how this tool works, what you have to do is go to opus.pro or use the affiliate link in the description to sign up. And what it will do is it will allow you to do a couple free videos, which is really cool as a free trial. So then to get started here, all we have to do is click here, get free clips once you're at opus.pro, get free clips, and this will open the video editing dashboard. So the first step into doing Opus Clip to getting it to create clips for you, this is extremely easy. And the reason I want to show you how easy this is because it's so easy. So all we have to do here is paste our video link in this box right here. And this is one of the reasons I love Opus Clip because of how easy this tool is to use. And what I have to do here is if I paste a link here to a YouTube video, let's pause this. This is a video from one of my 3D print, I have a 3D printing channel and this is the video, right? So all we have to do here is copy the URL of the video. So we just copy this and then go back to the page here. And all we have to do is paste this link here. And it's literally as easy as just kind of like waiting for it to load. And then, as you can see here, it preloaded all of the settings. All we have to do is choose what type of captions we want because this tool also automatically adds captions to your reels, which is pretty crazy. It doesn't really matter what style you do. So just click there, and then what we'll do is, honestly, I let it do its thing, and then I just click on Get Clips in one click. This is literally what it does. It's so easy that the AI does everything for you. And it tells me estimated waiting time here is 16 minutes. And what this is going to do is it's going to turn our long form video into a short form video. See, like this video right here is from YouTube, right? And this is what it looks like. And what it's going to do is take this long form video and turn it into reels. And why this is important, guys, is because short form content is becoming more and more popular. I'm going to show you some example. There's the Iced Coffee Hour, which is one that I watch that uses this tool. And if we go here, a lot of these big content creators are creating short form vertical reels. And what's cool is you can cross post these vertical reels across 4 different platforms. We have Facebook Reels, TikTok Reels, or TikTok, it's just everything is vertical on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram Reels. So you can post these same reels across 4 platforms. And this is what the reels essentially look like. The Iced Coffee Hour and a bunch of these big creators are using Opus Clip. This is why my review on Opus Clip is so highly. It's because if you pay attention to some of these bigger creators, they're actually using this same tool. Let's watch one of these. I need to mute this just because I don't want a copyright strike here. But this is what the reels look like. So what it does here is it takes the long form video and turns it into short form reel. So if I click play here, this is what they look like. And it also adds emojis. Opus Clip will add emojis and it will put captions on the video for you. Or some people call them subtitles, or they kind of call them captions in the creator space. And this is what they look like, guys. A lot of creators are using these like this. See how they're adding the captions? You could be using Opus Clip to be doing this to your content. And look at all these reels. They're getting crazy amounts of views, right? Like if you can also post every single day, it'll next level your content and your growth on social media. All right, so checking back with Opus Clip here, it is taking a little bit of time. And what's cool about Opus Clip is it does all the work for you. One of the setbacks is it does take a little bit of time. So weighing out the pros and cons here, it does everything for you, but you also have to wait for it. So that's one con. I will also state it sort of depends what kind of videos you do on how the reels turn out. Like for the Iced Coffee Hour here, this channel, they're a podcast, like their content is like front face camera, and that's where a lot of times reels do the best. And what they'll do is they'll caption like a small section where it's like a really viral like moment. But if you're doing videos that have like a lot of like tutorials and stuff, like this channel you're watching, reviews and tutorials, the tutorials obviously aren't going to create a cool reel. At least it's not a cool of reel. Let me check my dashboard to see if I have any in here. I'll go to the dashboard here. Like here is an example of some reels that I made from another video on my 3D printing channel here. And it's 3D printing a benchy boat here if we click play. But this is essentially what the reels look like. And what's really cool here is it gives it a virality score to kind of help you know like what is going to be the best reel to be publishing on socials. It gives you the hook score. It tells you the beginning of the video effectively catches the attention. And what's really cool here is it creates a bunch of clips. One of the cons, one of the biggest setbacks I will say, is in certain areas of your videos, like this one right here. See this one? It doesn't, because it's not the whole screen. So like, because it's taking a long form video and putting it into vertical, sometimes the screens don't look as good, and it kind of just uses like, it does its best. It'll use like a background, as you can see here. But if we watch this, yeah, it doesn't fill up the whole screen, which sometimes not that bad of a deal, but sometimes it kind of sucks. You know what I mean? What's really cool is it took one video that is 4 minutes and 31 seconds, and it made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 vertical reels. So imagine you have one video that's 4 minutes long, and you have it creates 8 vertical reels for you that you can be publishing on the socials. Like, when you think of the amount of content that you could be creating, and a lot of times what I'll do for like some of my clients is I will go to their YouTube video, their long form video, and then what I'll do is I will start scheduling all of this out. And what a lot of people don't know about Opus Clip is you can click this calendar feature. Once you create all these reels, you can click the calendar feature and start scheduling. This is like a game changer. So then what we can do is we can create 8 to 10 reels. Sometimes Opus Clip will make you like 15 reels. So then you just click on here, and then I can schedule which reel that I want to publish on that day. So it's the whole goal here, guys, is to create a bunch of reels and start scheduling them every single day so that we can get the algorithms to like get, because they have proven that with the algorithms, when you post every single day, that it starts growing your content like crazy, and the algos actually boost your content. But let's go back to the video reels, because that's actually probably what you're wondering about, right? Like the quality of them. This is what some of them look like. We can look at them. Actually, let's go into the editor, because we have some options here. We can share it directly from Opus Clip dashboard. We can automatically export it into a video editor, Premiere Pro, I think that is. We can download it, or we can edit it. A lot of people don't know this, but Opus Clip actually has a built-in video editor. So we can start to edit all of everything in here. You know, maybe check all the captions, make sure that everything lines up. What I tend to do is just watch the reel and then make sure it's all there, you know what I mean? To edit the captions, all we have to do is kind of click on the word and click on edit words. You can add emojis, you can add B-roll. Yeah, a lot of people don't know this, but there's a full built-in video editor in Opus Clip. So I can add B-roll to these videos. Sometimes when the front face camera footage gets like boring to watch, you can just add stock footage B-roll, which is a game changer. And I'll just tend to watch the video here. It's kind of going to depend on what style of content your long form video is. You know, like if it's like if it's an entertaining video that has like hooks and stuff, the reel should come out pretty good through Opus Clip. Opus Clip is my favorite tool to create AI generated reels, just because it does literally everything for you. I can go in here and I can edit it. One setback I will say is sometimes the hooks like don't really make sense, and sometimes it'll be missing context. Like AI does pretty good, but sometimes it'll like if you just watch the reel and you think about it from just like an average viewer that comes into the reel without knowing everything, some of the context is missing. Whereas, you know, but you can do some editing as well. So again, I highly advise you just give it a try. Consider using the affiliate link in the description just to sign up. You will get a free trial with that. And it's really a game changer. So I'm really happy with Opus Clip. My review is extremely happy. I advise just to get in here and start trying it and just see what it does and start publishing the content. You can use the calendar. It'll create all these reels for you. Also, recently I've added the free caption generator. So even if you don't want to have the tool create reels for you, you can edit your own reels and just use the auto caption generator, which I do all the time because sometimes the reels are missing context and I have to just go edit it myself. That does happen sometimes. So guys, hit me up in the comments. If you guys have any questions, I'm a normal dude and will reply. And consider using the affiliate link in the description to sign up. This tool is a game changer, guys. I promise you on that. So yeah, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.